guys, it's Imani and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be really amazing because I bought some kurtis and tops from Ajio. Actually, I was waiting from a couple of weeks for getting all my orders, so now I received all my orders and I am super excited to see all these. So I can't wait. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so my first order is this. I'll open it, and it's my t-shirt. This is a bill. So it's a round neck sleeveless crop top, which is from the brand Clafetus. This one I'll open it. Okay, so it's a sleeveless crop top which is from the brand Clafetus. Its material is really soft and it's 100% cotton. So it's available in all sizes, so you can choose according to the size chart. And its price is 300 and I'll get it at 222. Because at that time there is some sale going on, so I will get some off. And if you are buying more than 1500 to 2000, so they have some promo codes available there, so you can apply. Okay, so our next product is this. So I'll open it, see how's it. Okay, so it's my favorite, and it's a cruel neck t-shirt with this typographic print. Enjoy every movement. So its color is my favorite. And it's available in all sizes from the brand DNMX, and its fabric is really soft and it's cotton. Okay, so yeah, its price is 209 and I'll get it at 130 only. Or I think in this price, this is an amazing product. Okay, so next product is this. So I'll open it. It's in a packaging like this. So it's also a round neck t-shirt which is from the brand Team Spirit. So there are some different colors and sizes available there, so you can check. So again, this is with a typographic print and I love its texture. See this amazing texture. So I love this color, and its MRP is 190 and I'll get it at 122. And this price, this is an awesome. Okay, so next product is this. So amazing. It's my favorite, and it's a puff sleeve top which is from the brand Clothesy, but I don't love its color, it's dull, but its texture is really nice. See, sleeve, it's a puff sleeve, and it's available in all sizes, so you can check. And its neck is wide, so you can pair any pendant or a set with it, and it looks nice. So its MRP is 378 and I'll get it at the same. And its fabric is polyester. It's little thick, but it's okay. So next is this. So I'll open it. Nails ka pala. So this is a maxi dress. It's an A-line sleeveless dress. I'll show you the pic. It's from the brand Awasa. See, it's a full length dress with buttons, and it's also available in 2 colors and sizes from XS to XXL, so you can choose according to your size. So I love this color. Okay, so they have mentioned but mask is not available with it. Okay, so its price is $490 and I'll get it at $306. So in this price, it's amazing. I love it. So our last parcel is this. So I'll open it. It's a ikat print sleeveless A-line dress, which is also from the brand Awasa, but mask is available with it. See, this mask. Okay, so it's ikat print and I love its color, and it's also available in 2 colors, and its fabric is rayon and with collar and front plaited. See its bottom, it's high low from the sides. Okay, so its MRP is $441 and I'll get it at $275 only. And I love all these products and it's amazing. So I'll leave all the links on the description box so you can go and check it out. It's amazing. Also, you can use a promo code SUMMER 2021 so that you can get 500 off on your final bill value. So if you probably like the video and is it helpful for you, so please give us a thumbs up and also consider subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon.